Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn greatest common factor GCF. Are you guys excited? The greatest common factor is the biggest number that can divide the set of numbers you were given. To get the greatest common factor, you can use mental math or factor tree method. Let's look at the first question. We are told to find the GCF of 10 and 14. If you are using mental math, think of the biggest number that can divide both 10 and 14. The biggest number that can divide both 10 and 14 is 2. So you write GCF equals to 2. No number bigger than 2 can divide 10 and 14. If you are using factor tree method, this 10 that I circled, you have to write it, then you draw a branch, then you think of two numbers you will multiply to have 10. One of the number cannot be 1. For 10, you can use 2 times 5. Can you get two numbers you will multiply together to have 2? Don't forget, one of the numbers cannot be 1. There are no two numbers you will multiply to have 2, so you have to circle 2. Can you get two numbers you will multiply together to have 5? No. And because you cannot get two numbers for 5, you have to circle 5. So you write 10, you write all the numbers you circled, we circled 2 and we circled 5. Then you write this 14 that I circled, you draw a branch. Think of two numbers you will multiply to have 14. One of the number cannot be 1. You can use 2 times 7. Can you get two numbers you will multiply to have 2? No. And because you can't get two numbers for 2, you have to circle it. Can you get two numbers you will multiply to have 7? No. So we have to circle that 7, since we can't get two numbers for it. So you write 14 equals to, then you write all the numbers you circled in 14. We circled 2 and we circled 7. Then the next thing you do now is you check if there are common numbers in 10 and 14. These two and these two are common. They are common because they are the same. So you have to circle the both of them. 5 is in 10, but 5 is not in 14, so 5 is not common. 7 is in 14, but 7 is not in 10, so 7 is not common. GCF equals to, then you enter this circle and take only 1, 2. So that becomes the answer. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. It doesn't bite. Have a great day.